Good Hair Onion Caffeine Hair Shampoo is best onion caffeine shampoo for hair care.
Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution.
What makes Good Hair Onion Caffeine Organic Hair Shampoo better is that it might go deeper into the roots as it invigorates hair shaft prolongation, which assists with getting longer, more extensive hair roots. It might function as an incredible cleaning agent while additionally sustaining the hair. Organic onion hair shampoo with caffeine's onion is wealthy in sulfur, potassium, and antioxidants which help diminish hair fall and boost hair growth. It additionally helps in successfully upgrading hair growth because of the presence of a lot of cell reinforcements which especially work for boosting the working of specific chemicals that work together in forestalling hair fall. Good Hair Onion Caffeine Hair Shampoo is best onion caffeine shampoo for hair care. Onion hair shampoo with caffeine invigorates hair shaft lengthening, bringing about longer, more extensive hair roots. Caffeine is an energizer, consequently it assists increment with blood circulation, which helps move nutrients to hair roots. What makes Good Hair Onion Caffeine Organic Hair Shampoo better is that it goes deeper into the roots as it helps stimulate hair shaft elongation. Onion hair shampoo helps to get longer, wider hair roots. It works as an excellent cleanser while also nourishing the hair with benefits of onion, caffeine and shea butter. Excessively untreated dandruff and using chemically treated shampoos can trigger hair loss cycles. Hair loss, if not treated on time, can become permanent. Good Hair Onion Caffeine Organic Hair Shampoo shows visible difference in dandruff within few weeks. Good Hair Onion Caffeine Hair Shampoo comes with onion oil, shea butter, and caffeine. Onion oil. Onion is rich in sulfur, potassium and antioxidants that helps to reduce hair fall and boosts hair growth. Shea butter. Helps moisturize and soften hair. Helps soothe dry and itchy scalp. Helps protect hair against heat damage. Caffeine. Caffeine helps to stimulate hair shaft elongation and helps to move nutrients to the roots. Good Hair Onion Caffeine Hair Shampoo, easy to use. Step 1. Start with rinsing your hair and wet them thoroughly with water. Take shampoo in your palm, rub it together for 30 seconds. Step 2. Lather up on wet hair. Massage the shampoo into your scalp with a little pressure. Continue for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse off. Step 3. Avoid combining wet hair to minimize breakage. Good Hair Onion Caffeine Hair Shampoo is best onion caffeine shampoo for hair care.
You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like and share this video, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.